This is my hotel. I paid $12.
Huh. That hotel has the same name.
Ben! My suitcase is in the airplane. How do I carry all these?
Leave them here. Nobody will take them. It is 42 degrees.
Wow, Ben! This is our hotel? It is so beautiful!
Lucy. Yeah. Are you sure this is the right hotel?
Yes! I booked it online. Royal Palace Hotel. Cheapest price in Dubai. Welcome to Royal Palace Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes! My name is Lucy. I booked the cheapest room online. I am very excited.
I am sorry. I cannot find your booking. What? I paid! Look at my phone! It is here! Miss? Banpagsing. Your hotel is across the road.
Lucy? I can see it from here.
It has only 1 star, Lucy.
1 star is still a star, Ben.
This is really our hotel now.
Welcome. Breakfast not included. Checkout 6 a.m.
6 a.m. checkout. The sun rises at 5 a.m. in Dubai. So we can sleep for 1 hour.
Oh no. The zipper is stuck again.
I cannot stay here. It is too hot. I cannot sleep. I need a real hotel.
You know, True. The Royal Palace Hotel looks very comfortable.
Let's go to the real hotel right now.
Hello again. Do you have a room? Any room. I can pay now. Please.
Of course, miss. That will be $500 per night.
Always read the full description before you book. Subscribe for more English with Lucy. See you next time.